Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to discuss something very exciting for us. It's a new piece of equipment that we put into our camera bag. I will say it's not new. It is old, but it's still awesome just the least. A while back, Samantha and I decided that we wanted to try to step up our game and start using Super 8 film in some of our weddings. We were a little cautious at first because neither one of us have ever used anything like that. And honestly, when you're dealing with film, it's scary, and it's still scary to me to this day because you don't know your final product until you get your final product. But Super 8 is awesome. I love it. It's a little bit expensive. When we did decide to buy our first Super 8 camera, I went to Etsy. The first camera I got was this big old massive thing here, and I really don't know how to pronounce the name of the 8mm camera, but it's a Canon 310xl direct sound. So this was actually made when they made camera film that you could put in here and record audio. Now they don't do that any longer, so it's just this big massive camera, but I love it. After quite a few weddings and attempts at using this, we decided it was time for us to spend a little money and get something that was easier to use, easier to handle, and that is the Canon310xl. Now this thing was so much easier to use at that wedding that we just used it at. It was significantly smaller, and I will put these side by side so you can kind of see, and then there's one over the other. Now this thing was so much easier to tote around. One thing I do like about this camera was its simplicity of use. You just open up your bay right here, load up your film, get everything into focus, and you are ready to rock and roll. You've got your switch here on the side, on, and then single frame. Turning it on and listen to this. That's a beautiful sound. I love that sound. I can't wait to use this more often. We do have a lot of weddings coming up where Super 8 is going to be used, and I'm excited and ecstatic to be able to have this in my bag. Now, what does that say about the future of the big guy right here? We're gonna hang on to it. It's never a bad idea to have a backup camera, just in case something goes wrong with this. I always have the OG with me ready to rock and roll. So guys, thank you for taking the time out to share my excitement about our new Super 8 camera. Can't wait to get out there and use it more often. But in the meantime, if you want to follow us on our socials, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and always visit our website at redmagnoliafilms.com. Thank you guys, and have a great afternoon.